Okay, so how to install mongoDB on your Raspberry Pi, and yeah, let's just start it. So we're gonna type sudo apt install mongoDB, something like that, and we're gonna click yes. And we have to wait until the installation is done. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it for now. Okay, so we're gonna enable it. So there's two commands that we need to use. So first one is, can I paste it? You know what? Sudo. Okay. Wait. Let me clear this thing. Clear. I'm gonna paste it. Okay, like that. Enable. So we're gonna start our mongoDB right now. Paste. Okay, there's a log anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna start mongoDB. Yeah, like that. So we're installed now mongoDB. Connection test, something like that. Welcome to the mongodb.shell. Okay, I'm gonna paste all the code on the description so you can test this. And yeah, see you in the next video.